everyone, my name is Mini Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about 8 steps of methodology of econometric with example. We will also see some MCQ related to our topic. 8 steps of methodology of econometric are statement of theory or hypothesis, specification of mathematical model of the theory, specification of statistical or econometric model, obtaining data, estimation of parameters of econometric model, hypothesis testing, prediction or forecasting, last is application of model for control or policy purpose. One by one with example we are going to discuss about each step. First step, statement of theory or hypothesis. Process or methodology of econometrics start with selecting theory or specific hypothesis which we are going to test empirically. For example, we are going to test Keynesian consumption theory which says consumption expenditure positively related to income. Similar, we can test classical theory of income and employment which is based on Say's law of market. We can test absolute income hypothesis which is based on psychological law of consumption. Second step, specification of mathematical model of theory. That means now we express economic theory in mathematical form. Now we express economic theory in mathematical form. Here you can see mathematical form of Keynesian consumption theory. C is consumption which is dependent variable. Y is income which is independent variable. Beta 1 and beta 2 are parameter of model. Similar, if you want to test your investment theory which says investment depend on interest rate, then this is a mathematical form of investment theory. Here I is investment which is dependent variable, X is interest rate which is independent variable, alpha and beta are your parameter of model. You can also test your demand theory which says demand depend on price. Here Q is demand dependent variable, P is price independent variable, alpha and beta are our parameter of model. So these are mathematical form of theories which we are going to test. Next step, specification of statistical or econometric model. That means now we will add error term in our mathematical model. And after adding error term in our mathematical model, our model convert into econometric model. Now we will add error term in our model, and after adding error term in our model will convert into econometric model. What do you mean by error term? Error term capture influence of all other independent variable which are not included in this model. Here you can see we include only one independent variable which is income, but consumption is influenced by so many other independent variable. As we know, consumption is influenced by so many social, cultural and psychological factors which are not included in this model, and error term will capture influence of all other factors which are not included in this model. That's why we include error term, and E represent error term. And after adding error term in our mathematical model, our model will become econometric model. So this equation will belong to econometric model. Next step, obtaining the data. There are mainly 4 types of data in econometric: time series, cross-sectional, pooled and panel data. In order to test economic theory, we can collect data about consumer behavior, preferences. We can use record which are maintained by public and private businesses. Even we can use Bureau of Labor Statistics which provide data about employment, unemployment, wages, inflation, etc. Next step, estimation of parameters of econometric model. That means now by using our collected data and some statistical techniques like regression analysis, we will find out value of our parameter. Now by using our collected data and some statistical techniques like regression analysis, we will find out value of our parameters. As we already discussed, beta 1 and beta 2 are our parameter. Similar, alpha beta are our parameter. Now by using our collected data and some statistical techniques, we will find out value of these parameters. Next step, hypothesis testing. Suppose we want to test Keynesian consumption theory which state consumption expenditure is positively related to income. In hypothesis testing, we make 2 types of hypothesis: null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. According to null hypothesis, there is no positive relationship between income and consumption. But alternative hypothesis represent there is positive relationship between income and consumption. and we use a collected data and statistical technique to see there is enough evidence to reject a null hypothesis. If our evidence are strong enough to reject a null hypothesis, then obviously we will reject our null hypothesis and support our alternative hypothesis, which is saying a positive relationship between income and consumption. If we support our alternative hypothesis, that means we have proved Keynesian theory, which says consumption expenditure is positively related to income. Next step, prediction or forecasting. Now Keynesian theory has proved. That's why we can use this theory for making prediction. Or you can say that now we can use Keynesian theory to know value of dependent variable based on future value of independent variable. A dependent variable consumption, independent variable income. That means you can know consumption based on future income. In short, you can say that economists can use Keynesian theory to predict future consumption based on predicted future income level. Next step, application of model for control or policy purpose. That means now we can use a validated model to inform and evaluate economic policies. Now we can use a validated model to inform and evaluate economic policies. For example, based on consumption function, government could use tax policies to influence disposable income. Eventually, it will affect aggregate consumption to stimulate economy. Now we will see some MCQ on methodology of econometric. First is what is correct sequence of step in econometric methodology. First option, statement of theory, obtaining data, statement of mathematical model, hypothesis testing, specification of econometric model. Just now we have discussed about it. We don't start collecting data just after a statement of theory. So this is absolutely wrong option. In second option, you can see statement of theory, specification of mathematical model, specification of econometric model, obtaining data, estimation of parameter of econometric model. This is our right option. First of all, we decide our economic theory, which we are going to test. Then we write mathematical form of our theory. Then we convert our mathematical model into econometric model by adding error term. Then we obtain data. After that we estimate a parameter. So second option is the right option. Next question, in methodology of econometric, purpose of making econometric model after mathematical model. What is purpose of making econometric model after mathematical model? Option first, define variables and parameter, no. Formulate exact relationship between variable, no. Formulate numerical value of parameter, no. Our main purpose to make econometric model after mathematical model is add error term in order to capture influence of independent variable which are not included in this model. So third option represent add error term in order to capture influence of independent variable which are not included in this model. So our third is right option. Next question, estimation of parameters step in methodology of econometric involves collecting data from various sources, no. Testing whether estimated coefficient align with prediction, no. Using fitted model to predict future value, never. Using statistical technique to predict numerical value. This is correct as we earlier discussed. In order to find out value of parameter, we use a statistical technique. And most common method which we use in order to find out value of parameter is ordinary least square method. Next question, what is main purpose of hypothesis testing in econometric methodology? First option, to collect data for analysis, no. To forecast future value of dependent variable, no. To formulate mathematical version of theory, no, absolutely not. Our right answer, to test validity of economic theory against empirical evidence. As we earlier discussed, in hypothesis testing, we try to see is there enough evidence to reject null hypothesis. That's why the second option is correct. Next question, key difference between mathematical model and econometric model in econometric methodology. First is precise parameters, second is deterministic relationship, third dependent variable, fourth error term. Our right option is error term. As we know in mathematical model, error term is not including. We don't include error term in mathematical model, but we include error term in econometric model. So this is main difference between. So this is all about today's video. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.